Yes, sir. Thank you all for giving your valuable suggestions. Thank you all for giving your, ideas for writing the exam and all. Not an issue. Okay, let's go with the question paper discussion. Charan wants me to start with a probability lesson. No problem, Charan. Probability is a very choto topic, very small topic. We can just finish it up within less time actually. That is not a big deal at
Sir,
all.
your voice is low.
My voice is low now. Can you hear me? Now can
Sir,
you
your voice is
There is
low,
break.
sir.
now can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can, but it's low.
Yeah, I think I'm just keeping my microphone near my mouth and speaking, but okay.
Okay, guys, the first question, look at the first question. I think I need to start. One second. I think E-pen. I have to go with E-pen. One second, people. Just a minute, children. Okay. Yes. Sum of the zeros of this cubic polynomial is 0. Then PQ is what? How many of you did this question? How many of you did this question, people?
I did it, sir.
Yes, option B is correct. Sum of the zeros, what he has given, look at it here. Let me write here. Sum of the zeros is nothing but what, beta? Sum of the zeros is nothing but what? PQ. What is PQ, beta?
Minus B by A.
What is PQ here? Product of the roots, right?
Yes, sir.
Option B is correct.
Okay.
One second. Someone is writing here. Yes. Guys, any doubts in the first question? Tell me. Cubic polynomial given to you. Guys, can you hear me, or is there any problem from my side, or what? I don't understand.
Hear you, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, we can hear you.
Okay. But I am not getting a response from you people. What is the problem? One second. Let me talk somewhat loudly. Yeah. So this is a cubic polynomial given to you, beta. Okay. Then PQ is what? How many of you did it? How many of you not? How many of you didn't solve it? What is the problem? Beta, alpha, beta, gamma are the three roots. If you take beta, look at it here. Alpha plus beta plus gamma are the B roots. Okay. What is sum of the two zeros is equal to 0. Sum of the two zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to 0.
Alpha,
Correct?
beta.
So now product of the roots is what, beta? Alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. So sum of the roots is what? Minus b by a. So which is nothing but minus p. And product of the roots is what? C by a. R.
C by A.
Quite simple.
Right.
Now, so now here I know this one. If I substitute here, what I'm going to get now? 0 plus gamma is equal to minus p. Isn't it? So gamma is equal to minus p. Keep it as a
Yes.
like this. That's it. If you substitute gamma here, what will you get? What will you get? That's it. So minus p cube plus p into p square p cube minus p into q plus r is equal to 0. This will get cancelled. PQ is equal to r. That's it. This is how we can solve it. Isn't it, guys? See here, all lambda values or gamma value minus p I got. I have substituted here. Since it's a root, I substituted here. So you can write it as what? Minus p cube and p into minus p whole square. So p cube, like that. Substitute there, you will get the answer. Hope it is clear, guys. Let me
Yes,
clear
sir.
the screen. Shall I clear the screen? I can't move the screen actually. I have to clear and go for the next question.
Okay, sir.
Shall I go for that?
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear? Quite simple, beta. Please read the question properly. Look at what he has given here. Sum of the sum of the zeros of this one is equal to 0. So if I take three roots, since it's a cubic polynomial, we will be having three roots, alpha, beta, gamma. I took sum of the two zeros is 0 given to you. Okay, so this is how we just like go about this question now. And now let me clear the screen and we'll go for the next question. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to 4, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 44, and alpha beta and then alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Alpha comma beta, then the alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial is what? Alpha comma beta are the which zeros of the which polynomial? That is what the question here. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as what? Alpha plus beta whole square beta minus alpha beta, isn't it? So 4. Now guys, look at this here. One trick we can do here. What is the trick we can apply here? Tell me. One trick we can apply here. What is the trick? Did you identify the trick here? How many of you solved it? How many of you didn't understood the question? How many of you didn't understand the question actually? Tell me how many of you solved and how many of you didn't understand even the question?
So I did this.
Good.
Sir, I did it. So,
Great. What about others? Okay, no problem. Look at this here. Alpha, then the zeros, alpha beta, which is the polynomial, which is the polynomial we are having here. No, beta, look at this here. Alpha plus beta have, alpha square plus beta square have. Correct? So I do not know alpha beta value. How can I find out alpha beta value? Very simple. How can I find out alpha beta value? See here, I need to find out quadratic equation, right? So I mean quadratic polynomial. So x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, or even you don't write, I mean polynomial, right? So is equal to 0. This is what I need to substitute here. For that alpha plus beta value I have here, alpha beta value I don't have. Quite simple. Alpha beta value, how do you find out? You can substitute somewhere and get it. Okay, alpha plus beta value, then if I go with alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta is equal to, no, it is not possible. This is also we can't do. Can we go with the cubic formula? Alpha cube plus a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula is what, beta? A plus b whole cube minus 3 times of alpha beta plus alpha beta. आवड़ा था ना? Isn't it, beta? यही तो है formula. अरे हाँ, isn't it?
but it is square, right? Alpha square plus beta
It's
square.
alpha square plus beta square given to you. So we can't even use this. I think beta the question में कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Can we
Yes,
do
it
it
should
with
be.
A plus B whole
Here,
square?
if you have square, it's quite impossible to use that. Or else we can do one thing, beta, squaring on both sides. Can we do like that? ऐसे भी ट्राई करके देखेंगे. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा क्यूब होना चाहिए उधर. A plus B whole square, squaring on both sides. So A square plus B square plus 2 times of alpha beta. Yes, beta, you can do like this. 16. So A plus B whole square. So alpha square beta is 44. 2 times of alpha beta is equal to 16. So alpha beta is right. Alpha beta is equal to 16 minus 44. So 2 times of alpha beta is what? How much, beta? Tell me. 20 minus 28
Yes, sir.
minus 14. Alpha beta minus 14 आया मुझे. तो x square minus 4x minus 14. Option कौन सा है यहाँ पे? Nothing option. None of the options are matching. None of the options are matching, बेटा. Alpha beta ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे 14 मिला.
Sir, so we need to multiply by some numbers, sir.
Which one?
Sir, we need to multiply 3.
Which number? I didn't get you. What you are saying?
Sir, I guess we need to multiply it by 3.
Sorry.
Now multiply the equation with 3.
Sir, it should multiply by 3, sir. You will get
Square of
52.
alpha plus beta, what
But-
beta? 4. 1 second. 4 alpha 4x minus. हाँ, if you multiply with 3 क्या होगा? देखो 3x square minus 12x minus 42 होगा ना? प्लस 5 कहाँ से आएगा इधर? We will not get plus 5. But अब getting my point. What?
Yeah, sir, but this was the most matching answer, so I did this.
No,
This answer was matching the most.
Most matching answer, छोटा matching answer, ये सब करना चाहिए काव्या, ऐसा नहीं बनाना है, ठीक है? You can't do like that. So question itself wrong है बेटा, गलत है तो कोई problem नहीं है. I'll give the. I think it should be cube beta. If it is cube, I think yeah, it should, when I was preparing the question paper, it was looking like cube. So मैंने ऐसा हाँ, I couldn't. Okay, no problem, guys. So if it is cube and take it, if it is cube, देखो इसको cube बना लो. I'm solve करो अभी. So alpha cube plus beta cube 44. So alpha plus beta.
Sir, we are getting 47 by minus 47 by 64. Sir, I have done like that.
No, you can't get like that, beta. Alpha cube, this is 44, correct? Alpha plus beta 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but what beta? 64. Am I correct? Minus 3 times of alpha beta 4 here. So 44 here. 64 minus 12 alpha beta. So 12 alpha beta is equal minus 12 alpha beta is equal. Okay, or else you do one thing. 12 alpha beta is equal 64 minus 20 beta here. Alpha beta is equal to how much beta? 5 by 3. Correct? Samjha? Getting my point? 5 by 3, isn't it? 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 mil gaya. I got the 5 by 3. So sum of the roots into x plus alpha beta. This is the formula. Now here 4x. Okay, 4x plus 5 by 3. इसको 3x square equal to 0. In fact, if you do equal to 0, minus 12x plus 5 is it is matching now. So option D is correct. If it is cube is correct beta, then only option is matching. Understood my point? How I solved? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the question गलती था, कोई problem नहीं है, माफ कर दीजिए. चलो next. I clear the screen. Hope it is clear. Let me go for the next question. I need a response. If you have any doubts. So good, Charan. Good. Very good. Good. Let me clear the screen. Shall I clear? You want to copy?
No, sir.
Clear. So let me clear it. Chalo. Next. Alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This one, then alpha cube plus beta cube is what? Okay. That alpha cube plus beta cube formula is what? Just now we did, right?
Here it's alpha plus beta cube.
Minus 3 times of alpha beta.
Alpha
So either from this,
alpha plus.
from this alpha plus beta is what beta? Minus b by a. So 4 by 4, which is 1. Alpha beta is what beta? C by a. So 1 by 4. Correct? So 1 minus 3 times of 1 by 4 into 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
1 by 4. Option A is correct. Very simple. Isn't it? Very simple. Clear?
Yes,
So hope it is clear. Hope everyone have solved. I would like to hear a response. I would like to hear your voice. Those who have done it.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. I did it.
Yuktasri, what about you, Yuktasri? Udbhavji, Ritvik, what about you, Ritvik? Nitya, what about you, Nitya? Have you solved, Nitya? Those who have not written the test, please. I just want you guys to know. Tell me the reason. PQ are the zeros of this quadratic equation. Then P is equal to is asking. So alpha plus beta, P plus Q is equal to what beta? Minus P here. Correct? So 2 times of P is equal to minus Q. P is equal to minus Q by 2. And PQ is what beta? Q. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what we need to find out here?
Sir, we need to find out the zeros of the equation.
P value is 1 here. So minus 1 by 2. No. Sorry, here P plus Q how much? minus p. Correct? Minus b by a. P q how much? Q. So
Q.
what I need to find out p value? How can I find out p value here? How can I find out p value? Tell me. P plus
Sir, P is equal to 1, sir.
is equal to 0. So 2 times of p plus q is equal to 0. Okay. Now look at this here. I have pq minus q is equal to 0. Taking q common, p minus 1 is equal to 0. So q is equal to 0 होता है यहाँ पे और p is equal to 1. Correct? P is equal to 1, isn't it? Isn't it, guys? So p value 1 I got. Substitute here again. 2 times of 1 plus q is equal to 0. So q value is what? Minus 2. Q value minus 2 I got. Yes, or we need p value, right? So need not to find out q value. We need p value. So for finding p value, q value I'll substitute here. So 2p plus 0 is equal to 0. So p is equal to what? 0. 0 and 1 is the answer. Option B is correct. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts, people?
No, sir.
Very simple solving it. See, solving in different ways. That's it. If you're not getting the for the first time, try to different in another way. Very simple. Quite simple. Let me clear the screen. Shall I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Then the polynomial having this is what? Very simple, beta. इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है? देखो. What is the tell me what is the answer? So here p plus alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta is what? Minus p. Alpha beta is what? Q. Correct? And 1 by alpha we need. 1 by alpha. My goodness. Oh my god. Yes. So x square minus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta into x plus 1 by alpha into 1 by beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta into x plus 1 by alpha beta is equal to 0. So substitute here. Alpha plus beta is what we got? Minus into minus plus px divided by q plus 1 by q is equal to 0. So qx square plus px. So only one option. Qx square is having only one option. Option C is correct. Any doubts? Any doubts? Qx square is available in only one option, which is C option. Hope it is clear. Let me go with the next question.
Yes, sir.
Shall I? Tell me, make it fast, better. We have to finish all the questions. Guys, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next,
Yes, sir.
clearing it. Next. Yes. For the equation, this one p greater than 0 if one of the roots is square of the other. So guys, look at this here. This is a quadratic equation. So it will be having two roots. One of the roots, if I take alpha comma beta are the root beta, one root is what? Square of the other is nothing but what? Beta is equal to alpha square or alpha is equal to beta square, correct? 1 second. So one of the roots is square of the others. So if I take one root as
X, the other will be X square.
or else you take alpha square, कोई problem नहीं. Why? Because the given in terms of x, right? So let us take alpha and alpha square. So alpha
Yes.
plus alpha square is what? Minus b by a. So minus p by 3. Alpha into alpha square is what? Alpha cube. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Product of the roots.
Alpha cube is 9.
3 by 3. Which is
Yes, sir.
correct? So alpha cube is equal to 1 is nothing. But alpha का value क्या हो जाएगा? 1 ही तो हो जाएगा. Isn't it?
Yes.
So alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p by 3. Alpha value is 1 plus 1 square minus p by 3. So 2 is equal to minus p by 3. minus p is equal to 6. Somewhere we messed up or what? Alpha. Yeah, alpha cube. Okay, correct only. Alpha value 1, right? I'm getting 6, beta. Are you getting 3? I'm getting 6. Check. Is there any mistake I made?
Sir, can you check the solution? Just given.
Option C given, which is 3 given, but I'm getting 6. 1 second. So, अच्छा solution.
Sir, they get a solution now.
Solution तो एक काम करेंगे. Okay, solution given minus 2 by 3. Oh, something he has given 10 by something he has given Ratambi. Something he has given भाई check कर लो. So it's not possible I think. बेटा option 6 होना चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल से option 6 होना चाहिए. Am I correct? Getting my point? Option 6 should be the answer. फिर से check कर लेंगे देखो. One of the roots is a square of the other. So another. Yes. Any doubts? How many of you got the answer for this, and how many of you didn't get the answer?
Sir, even I
Sir, I
got
left
minus 6.
it, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I left it, sir.
Why? It's a simple question, right? Harini ji, it's a simple question, ji.
Sir, the correct answer was not getting. So twice I have done, I got 2 different answers.
Okay, no problem. So I think one thing, whatever we took, that is wrong, I think. One second, let me write. Let me
I
solve
was.
no. 1 second. Let me solve one more time and just check. Alpha. Oh, 1 second. 10, right? 10 second. Alpha square. Okay, fine. 3x square
Yes.
plus 3x. So alpha plus alpha square मुझे मिलेगा minus p by 3. Correct? Alpha cube product of roots 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we need to find out p value. P value I got.
Sir, alpha plus alpha squared cannot be alpha cube, sir. Alpha into alpha squared is alpha cube.
No. Alpha cube is equal to 1 cube, right? So alpha value 1. Correct? Isn't it? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So then alpha is equal. Actually, this is not your concept, but मुझे अभी like I got just now. This is not your concept. Right.
So then we'll be getting marks for
Yes.
the questions which
Yes,
are wrong.
definitely. Definitely, I'll be updating the marks. Actually, you have in complex number in class 11 called in class 11 topic called complex number. You will be having a concept 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. तो ये कंडीशन मिलेगा, ये उसको बोलते हैं ओमेगा. यू रीड दिस एज ओमेगा बेटा. ओके, ओमेगा का वैल्यू समथिंग, ओमेगा स्क्वायर वैल्यू यू विल बी हैविंग समथिंग. You get this. After factorizing this one, you get omega value and omega square value. Okay, that is the concept we must use, I think here. Then let me check with
So,
that.
sir, will you increase the marks for this or will you remove the question?
No, we'll remove the question so that your percentage will not get affected. No problem. This is not your concept. But if you solve this, nothing wrong with this actually. We are pretty clear with this concept, right? Substituting alpha here, we got alpha value. Substituting here, 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 3. P should be minus 6 actually. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, no problem, beta. No problem. Clear. Okay, it's fine. I'll remove the question or we'll just give the marks. No problem. There are many wrong actually. No problem. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. Very simple. Very simple. Zero is given. Finding quadratic polynomial. It's a quite simple process, right? X square plus
Yes, sir.
sum of the roots into product of the roots. 5 square minus 2. That's it. So x square. This will get cancelled. Minus 10x. Option A is correct. Nothing option. None of the options are matching here. So 23. 20. 23. Option option A is also wrong, beta. Option A, it should be 23, right?
Yes, sir. Alpha beta value is 23
But
actually.
none of the options are
Even
matching.
this question,
So, both are galti.
even this question.
Okay, how many of you made this by sir x square minus 10x तो मैच कर रहा है ना तो हम लोग ऑप्शन ए को चूज कर लेंगे. How many of you did in that way? Okay, no problem. We'll edit that question. Yes, next. So 3 questions, right? Total 3 questions. Am I correct? So far, how many questions got wrong?
Yes, sir. Second, 6, and this one.
Okay, 3 questions. Tell me the total number of questions. Okay, and tell me whoever not attempted the question, whoever attempted the question and got the wrong, they have to message me. Okay, so that I can just with your name and the questions which you attempted and they are wrong. Okay, the questions whichever you attempted and you got it wrong and you lost the mark. Those of you are attempted that beta, please drop a message to me so that I can add your marks. Okay, clear? Yes. Next. Alpha, beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is what? Very simple. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus 5 by 2. Alpha beta is what? 1 by 2. Substitute karo here. Minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. Minus 2 is the answer. Option is correct. इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? Isn't it clear? No problem, Satvik. I think questions will be different, Satvik here. Questions will not be the same. Questions will be different. Questions will be jumbling. Okay. So tell me the question, which wherever you get the question, wherever you get that particular question, you tell me, sir, I got wrong with that question. No problem. Satvik, you tell me whichever the question you didn't. 1 second. What's happening here? Why it is not there? Yeah. Now I'm dividing this one by polynomial g of x. The quotient and remainder is this and this. Then the g of x is what? We need to find out divisor. How can you find out this? I'm dividing this polynomial. Okay, that is dividend, right? Dividend. Divisor into no. Dividing this. Very, very interesting question. Very, very interesting question. We can find out a trick here. What is the trick? How many of you got that? Got the trick? What is the trick? Tell me the trick. Make it fast.
1 minute.
No. Already you have attempted.
So question number 8, sir. So question number 9.
Question number 9 only I'm talking about.
Sir, I subtracted the remainder and then divided by the question.
So actually, I used the formula, sir, of like we have
You
in the
can
first
cross verify here. You can cross verify here. Isn't it?
So I subtracted the remainder and then divided the question.
You subtracted?
The remainder, sir.
You can see here, beta, look at this. Yeah. Got your point. Just what we did, dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So let me write that. Dividend is what, beta? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal. This is my divisor into quotient. plus remainder is what? 4 minus 3x.
Yes, sir. Same way I've done.
Okay, here thoda minus 4 plus 2x is equal to g of x into x minus 2, correct? So how can you just solve this now? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal. Okay, so g of x is equal to what now? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by this one. If you divide this with the long division method, you will get the answer. Understood my point? But understood this one divided with this one?
Yes, sir.
Quite simple.
We will be getting x square minus x.
Option D is correct दिया है, तो उसको very simple question, you can make that. Guys, understood the concept here? By using long division
Yes,
method,
sir.
you will get the answer, beta. By using long division method, divide this particular polynomial with x minus 2, will get the answer. Quite simple. I need a response from everyone. Got the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where is Bhumika? Bhumika, are you here? Harini ji, turn on your camera, but facing, I mean, keeping your hand near camera. Why?
So it was unfortunately turned on.
Okay. No problem. Let me clear this thing. Shall I clear? You want me to give the time to copy? Very simple. Let me clear. Okay. Yes. So next question. If the polynomial this one divided by the another polynomial this one, the remainder comes out to be 3. Then the quotient of the polynomial is what? Same thing. How did you solve this and how many have you solved this?
Sir, I've done.
Yes, this is the divided by another polynomial. The remainder comes out to be 3. Then quotient is what? Same formula I have to use. What is this?
P of x is equal to
X square. Okay, 1 second. X minus 1 minus x square into quotient. Let me take it as cube plus 3. Okay, so 3x cube minus x cube. I think it should be x square, correct? Okay.
so they missed. So they may missed, like they didn't give, I think, question maybe.
Okay, no problem. Let us subtract then. This is a 2x cube.
Take it.
But I don't think so. It's taking the 3 to the left hand side becomes what? 5 minus 3, 2. 2x cube minus 3x 2 divided by x minus 1 minus x square is equal to cube. Correct? So dividing this polynomial into 2x cube. So what is your answer is going to be? I think yes. 2x cube minus 3x plus 2 divide minus x square minus 1 plus x. So what you are going to get now? X minus 2x. Correct? Minus 2x cube you get here. Minus 2x plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x square. So subtract this. Minus x minus 2x square. I think option is not matching, but the question is wrong here. देखो, our quotient I'm getting in terms of 2x. If I take this as it is question, I'm getting quotient in terms of 2x. So option नहीं match कर रहा है. So this should be definitely x square and check. Take it as x square and check it out. Take it x square and check. I'm telling you that
Yes,
take it as x square and check. I'm asking. 3x square 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal let's make properly 2 plus 3. So dividing this thing with minus x square plus x minus 1 is equal to q. Correct? Divide with the long division method. Children, are you present here? Everyone, listen in the class.
Yes, sir, doing.
Yes, everyone should solve it. Okay. If you don't, if you get stuck somewhere, you have to.
Yes, sir.
Everyone should solve it. You shouldn't, you can't, open another tab and playing games. You can't open another tab and looking some, watching some YouTube videos. You can't do that, please. We are involving the process. Everyone should solve it. Okay. So here, minus how much beta? Minus 3x minus 3x nothing but minus plus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 3x is 0 as it is. Subtract this cancellation, so 2x square minus 6x plus 2. Correct? So minus 2 plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Minus 4x. But what is the, he's asked for quotient, right? Minus 3x, I'm getting something minus 3x minus 2 I'm getting if I take the square also. The question में कुछ तो भी गलती है. देखो, guys, that is the quotient I got. That is the quotient I got. Is there any mistake I made in the quotient? Check.
No, sir, I have done. I too got the same.
Question में wrong है बेटा. Question तो गलती है. But this is a procedure. पक्का. 100% I can say this is a procedure. Quotient should be 3x minus 2. देखो ये होगा. This is 3x minus 2 beta, minus 3x. Option D means it should be minus 3 missing here. Then option is correct. Something is missing. Understood my point? Minus 3x minus 2. We'll do one thing beta. 1 second. What we do here is we'll go back and we'll edit the question now itself so that next yeah. So can you please tell me the, my goodness, can you please tell me what are the questions we went wrong so that I can just give you the marks?
Sir, 2, 6, 7, sir, according 2, 6, 7, 10, sir, according to me.
According to the order which we got earlier, as per that, what is that?
2, 6, 7, 10, sir.
2, 6, 10, 7. Okay. What was the answer for this beta? Here alpha cube plus beta cube. Here alpha cube plus beta cube is only given.
Sir, not this one, sir.
This was correct. You are saying 2 only, right?
Sir, actually, again, questions are jumbled, I think.
Oh, yes. 1 second. I think this should be.
So that was wrong. I think 5th one.
This one we have to edit. My goodness, here alpha.
Should be alpha cubes.
I can't type. I don't know how to type here alpha. Okay, no problem, children. I'll just edit it later. Let it be. But because it takes time, so let's not waste time. Let's discuss the question. Okay, how many questions are possible? We'll discuss that and we'll go. Okay, how many questions we discuss here?
10.
Okay, I think 10 questions done. So sum of the zeros is what here? Sum of zeros is this, product of zeros is this, and quadratic polynomial is what? Beta, sum of the zeros is what? X square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3, correct, is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x. Option A is correct. Check kar lo.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Substituting directly in the formula called this one, beta. Sum of the roots given to you, product of the roots given to you. That's it. Hope it is clear. Next
Yes,
question.
sir. Clear.
Alpha and beta, gamma are the zeros of this polynomial. Then the value of this thing is what? Okay, interesting question.
Sir,
Alpha plus beta plus gamma, how much beta? Sum of the roots? 3, correct? 6 by 2 is 3.
yes.
Minus of minus 6 by 2, 3 like this. Okay. And sum of the roots, beta, already this is a repeated question, I think.
C by A, sir.
C by A. So minus
2, sir.
4 by 2 minus 2. Directly, need not even to find out sum of the roots, actually wasting the time. He is asking for sum of the roots, I mean sum of the product of the roots at a time. So this is the correct answer here, correct? So next, direct question. This one, A, B, C are the zeros of this polynomial, and C and D are the zeros of this one. Then A minus C, B minus C, A
So
plus C,
this
B
is
plus C.
lengthy one.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Yes, sir. It took mostly half page.
This is what given to you, and C and D are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay. A and B. So A plus B is what, beta? Minus P. A, B is what, beta? 1. So C plus D is what, beta? Minus Q. C, D is what? 1. Correct? Substituting everything here.
Yes.
That's it. A minus C. So A, B. So we have to multiply, I think, right? Multiply that. A, B minus. Oh. Is a very, very big thing. So you have, first of all, you multiply these two, then you multiply these two.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How many of you did this question, guys?
So I have done it and got the correct answer.
Me too, sir.
What about others? Only 2 members? Only 2 members.
I didn't do it, sir.
Okay. And
Sir,
guys,
I
I
did
need,
this some. I didn't do the next.
sorry. Can you please again come back?
Sir, I didn't do the next one.
You didn't do this one or next one? I'm talking about the 30th question.
Sir, I didn't do the next one. Next.
Oh, okay. Okay. Not an issue. Look at this. Let me write here. So first of all, we'll multiply these two. So AB, AC minus BC plus C square into AB plus AD, AB plus AD plus B square plus BD. Okay, this is what I got. So now A plus B we have. So AB we have. So taking C common, so A plus B, C square as it is. So AB we have. So taking D common, again A plus B plus B square, correct? So AB value how much? 1 minus C into AB value is minus C plus C square. AB value 1 plus D into minus P plus B square. So minus into minus plus. Correct? Any here C, right?
One PC, sir.
This is
PC.
BC. PC. Okay, plus C square minus PD. हाँ, but कहाँ से आ गया? C plus D. Okay, let's multiply these two again. 1 minus PD plus B square plus PC minus P square CD plus PCB square plus C square minus C square PD plus B square. Okay, let me write here. 1 minus PD plus B square plus PC common if I take, so 1 minus PD plus
Sir,
plus B
sir,
square.
where did you get common, sir? PC.
Yes, I'll tell you 1 second. Let me just. I'm not able to bring this up. Yeah, I took common from these two, but Aditya, first two, what I did here is this as it is I wrote. Oh, 1 second. Black is not. Yeah. This as
So
it is
like
I wrote.
we know that CD is 1, so we
From this I took
can't we
PC
directly
common.
write
1
P
second.
square
1
is
second. PC I took common from these two. Again, from these two terms, I took PC common. These two terms I wrote as it is. Okay, that is what I did.
Sir, but in few terms we know that CD is equal to 1. Then
Yes.
CD is equal to 1, we know, right? So can we substitute the value?
Yes, we will substitute that. But PD value we don't have. 1 minus PD plus B square plus PC 1 minus PD PC B square minus 1 plus here C square plus B square we have, right? C square plus B square we have. We can't even do anything for that. So let's write as it is. Okay.
So actually,
Yes, tell me.
So I think that is B square C, sir, last term.
Oh my goodness, ये question भी गलती है. Yes, I'm sure
That
it
is
is
B
also.
square
no,
C.
it's correct actually. Like
Sir, the
first,
question is correct, sir.
But
first
no,
we
1 second, 1 second. No,
So in the
no,
last
no.
term we have
Actually,
B square C, sir. You
no, no,
only
no, no.
wrote B square.
No, beta. Either मेरे पास, like I have a question of bunch of questions here. If I check, it is showing different questions, same values but different thing. Yeah. Yes, where? Let's go with last.
The last term, sir.
Last term C square plus
Right side.
this side.
Right side. No, sir. That
Here?
right side. Yes, sir. B square C.
Yes, B square C. Okay.
Yes, sir. B square C square, I guess.
B square C square.
So because we multiply the last terms together, right?
Yes.
So that will it.
Now we have to change this. Oh my goodness, what happened? Then we have to change this again. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now what we do here is.
So like in the fourth term we have CD. So we can take CD as 1.
Sorry.
In fourth term we have CD as 1. So that time we take CD as 1.
Yes, CD, right? Yes, CD we can take common since we have CD value. From that, from this two terms you take this one and this one. Let's take CD common. 1 minus PD कहाँ है? देखो PD here, 1 PD nowhere. Okay, so 1
So we
minus.
have C square PD, sir. We have C square PD.
Yes, PD if I take common, so C square. If I take PD of minus 1, no, even you take common, nothing is going to come. Correct? Those who have
Sir.
solved, you solved in a similar way, Harini ji?
no sir, I didn't take any squares. I multiplied A minus C into B plus D, sir. One side, and one more side I have multiplied B minus C into A plus B. I have got AB plus AD minus
Achha,
C.
you can do, yes. Very good, very good. What you did, you just multiply the first and last term first.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
A minus C.
Correct.
So I've got all the like
All
alpha,
the
beta.
requirements. Yes. Yes, we can do that, beta. Why? Because
No, but will that make any difference?
no. I'll tell you the difference. Why did I got the point now? Why? Because look at this here. If you go with that, let me tell you. If you go with that, what happens? If you go with the first and last terms, look at this here. A, B, and A, D minus B, C minus C, D. Correct? As it is. Okay, we are not getting any squares. That is a big advantage. If we get square again, we'll get stuck up, isn't it?
We can
So
directly substitute the values, sir.
B square.
AB
Oh,
and
we are
C.
getting B square again here. Minus AC minus BC. Okay. Okay, we can substitute. Okay. Now look at this here. Okay, here.
AB is 1.
What can I take common here from this? D.
Sir,
So you can take A common into B plus D and then C common into.
But we don't have B plus D value. That is the problem. I guess.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I don't think that it should be A plus B, sir. I think it should be A plus D, sir.
D, sir. Yes, sir. It should be A
I
plus
took
D,
A
sir.
plus D, sir, and I got the correct answer.
Then
Yes,
the
sir,
question
me
is
too.
wrong. मैं वही बता रहा हूँ आपसे. Then okay, let's check that. That is A plus D. देखो बहुत सारे गलती है. Question improper.
Actually, I have solved this question in the school, sir. So I have blindly done it.
Okay. So if you go with that, beta, look at it. Say A, B, then same thing, first and last, and middle two terms. Can we do like that?
Yes, sir. We will be getting Q square minus P square.
AB plus AD minus BC and minus DC into plus will not get here. So BA plus BD minus AC minus DC. So from this, what can I take common?
So we can directly substitute the values, sir.
A can
Of AB and C.
AB value is 1 here, and BC value you don't have. So C AD from this I can take, what can I take common? AD minus BC, let it be as it is. Nothing we do with nothing we have common. DC is what? 1. So this will get cancelled. AB is 1. BD का value भी नहीं है तो BD. AC का value we don't have. CD का value 1. Again this will get cancelled. AD minus BC. BD minus AC. Correct? This is what I got. That's it. AD minus BC. BD minus AC. That is what is. Nothing wrong with this. AD minus BC minus common. So AC. No, guys. No. See, till this we did. After this, AD minus BC.
Sir, multiplying both the terms.
If you multiply, what you get? ABD square minus A square CD minus B square CD. थोड़ा patience रखिए बेटा, आराम से मिल जाएगा. So for solving mathematics, you need patience. These questions are not like, you can't make them within
So like CD we have. We have CD.
Yes, you can take CD common from this too, and take AB common.
So like
from
why
this.
to take common, sir? We have CD as 1, right? So
Yes, you can substitute directly. AB value 1 है तो D square directly minus CD का value A square तो 1 minus B square plus AB C square. That's it.
C
Need
square.
not to take common. So D square minus A square minus B square plus C square तो मिलेगा मुझे. This is what I got. But none of the options are matching still. So 1 second. A plus B, right? So we'll do one thing. C square plus D square minus A square plus B square. Here हमने कुछ खेल खेल सकता है यहाँ पे. We can do one thing here. C square plus
Sir,
D
we
square.
have
Oh my goodness.
C
my goodness.
plus 2.
That's it. Very good. Here C
So now
plus
C plus
B
D
whole
is
square minus 2 times of CD minus A plus B whole square plus 2 times of AB here. Correct? So C plus D is what beta? Q square minus 2 minus P square minus 2. This cancel. Option B is correct. Yes. This is how we can do. Question गलती है. फिर से question गलती है. इधर D आना चाहिए.
Yeah, sir. This one I got
Quite
now.
simple question only. That see here questions would be simple. The questions are wrong here. That is a problem. Okay, no problem. Next time I'll just try to give the paper from the Vice app so that we can reduce the number of wrong questions. I mean, every time we are getting problem with this topper actually. I don't know what to do.
Yes, sir.
Actually, easy question only. इसमें बड़ी बात कुछ like you don't have even a big thing to solve this question. Easy question only, but question.
We just need to multiply the terms.
Yes, that's it. The question wrong. That is the reason we are thinking that answer क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. Question is wrong actually. That is a fact. Okay, no problem. Yes, guys, understood the concept. If you take it the D, you will be getting the B option. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
guys, understood people.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about others? Saranya, Satvik, Ritvik, Shreyan, Harini,
Yes, sir.
Krishna, Aditi, Kavya. Yes.
Understood.
Okay,
sir.
children. No problem. We'll try to correct it. Or else next week, what I do is, I'll just change the question paper itself. I mean, I'll give the question manually. Okay, but
Yes.
giving the question manually. Okay, but we will not be getting this much depth question. The problem is from the topper we can get different questions, but somewhere one or two terms will be mistake in that. That is a problem.
Yes,
Our
sir.
questions are very good questions actually, but in between we have a mistakes. That is a problem. Okay, no problem. We'll check it out. Okay, children, let's make a move now. 13 questions we have solved. The rest of the 6 questions, 7 questions we'll solve in the next class. Until
Thank
then,
you, sir.
goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do solve the homework questions.
Thank
which
you,
I just-
sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
homework
Yes.
questions. Please do solve it. Homework questions. Thank you.